Think about every sign in with Google button you've clicked. Games you played once in 2019, old fitness trackers, or that random photo editor. They might still have access to your contacts, drive files, or even your location. That is a massive viewer problem for your security. If one of those third-party apps gets hacked, your Google data could be at risk. But don't worry, cleaning this up is actually satisfyingly easy on an iPad or iPhone. Did you know that deleting an app from your phone doesn't remove its access to your Google account? Many apps stay connected until you manually revoke them. Did you know every time you tap sign in with Google, you're not just logging in faster, you're creating a long-term connection between that app and your Google account. Many of these connections remain active even after you delete the app from your phone, meaning old games, quiz apps, and one-time tools may still have access to your basic profile, email address, or drive data without you realizing it. But first, did you know? According to cybersecurity reports, the average user has over 25 third-party apps connected to their main email account, and over 70% of those apps haven't been opened in over 6 months. That's a lot of open backdoors to your data. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. You need the official Google app. Head to the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, search for Google, and make sure it's updated. Once you launch it, ensure you're signed into the specific account you want to check. If you have multiple Gmails, you'll need to repeat this for each one to be fully secure. Step 2. Now, look at the top right corner. Tap your profile picture or your initial if you don't have a photo. A menu will pop up. Right under your name, you'll see the big button that says Manage your Google account. Tap that. This is the command center for your entire digital life with Google. Trivia. Here's something most people don't realize. Some third-party apps don't need your password to access your Google data. Once permission is granted, they use secure access tokens, which can stay valid for months or even years unless you manually revoke them. That means an app you haven't opened since 2021 could still be quietly connected today, making routine security cleanups just as important as changing your password. Quick pause. If you're feeling more secure already, hit that like button for me. It tells the algorithm that privacy tutorials like this are important. And if you're new to For Real, subscribe for more how-to guides that actually respect your time. Step 3. Okay, once you're in the management screen, you'll see a horizontal menu at the top. Swipe across it until you find Security and tap it. Scroll down past your recent activity and sign-in methods. You're looking for a section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This is where the magic happens. Step 4, finally, tap See All Connections. You'll see a list of every single app that has a link to your Google data. Pro tip, if you see an app you don't recognize or no longer use, tap it and select Delete All Connections. It's that simple. You've just successfully audited your account security. No more viewer problem, just a clean, safe account. Final trivia before you go. Cybersecurity audits show that the largest source of account exposure often isn't hackers. It's forgotten app permissions. If just one poorly secured third-party app is breached, attackers may gain indirect access to Google data without ever triggering a login alert. That's why security experts recommend reviewing connected apps at least once every 3 months, the same way you'd lock doors you no longer use. Final trivia. Google's security checkup tool is used by millions monthly, but most people forget to check the third-party access section, which is often the weakest link. Thanks for watching For Real. Tell me in the comments, how many zombie apps did you find connected to your account? I found 42. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.